Understanding, to whoop it up, an English idiom explained. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fun and interesting English phrase, to whoop it up. This idiom is used in various contexts and it's a great expression to add to your English vocabulary. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. To whoop it up is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to celebrate in a lively, noisy way, often with a lot of people. The phrase implies a sense of excitement and joy. It's often used when people are having a great time at parties, gatherings, or celebrations. The key idea here is enthusiasm and lively enjoyment. The origins of to whoop it up are quite interesting. The term whoop originally refers to a loud, excited shout, often associated with joy or celebration. This phrase likely emerged in American English, reflecting the energetic and boisterous nature of celebrations. Understanding the history helps us appreciate why this phrase captures such a lively spirit. To fully grasp the usage of to whoop it up, let's look at some examples. 1. After the final exam, the students decided to whoop it up at the local cafe. 2. The fans whooped it up when their team won the championship. In these examples, the phrase is used to describe situations where people are celebrating joyfully. You can use to whoop it up in informal settings, especially when talking about parties, celebrations, or any fun events. It's perfect for casual conversations and adds a playful element to your storytelling. Remember, it's not suitable for formal or professional contexts due to its informal and lively nature. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, to whoop it up, confidently in your English conversations. It's a great expression that adds color and excitement to your language. Keep practicing, and don't forget to whoop it up with your learning journey. See you in the next video.